Hi guys, I'm here with a very exciting box. So this is Walt Life and I'm so excited. So this is a new box to me. I'm a huge Disney fan. So when I seen this box, I had to sign up for it. It looked amazing and you can customize this box. So you can choose if you want a girl box, a boy box. You can choose what age you want. They have adult box, which I think is really awesome. But I decided to go for the little girl age because I have two daughters. I have a 5 and a 7-year-old. So I thought I would get a box that we can all share together and it'll just be very fun because we all love Disney. So I am just gonna get right into this. This is packed. Oh, also, some of these items come straight from the park. So you can get items from Disneyland and Disney World. So I thought that was really, really awesome. So first thing is a blanket. So this is from Inside Out. And it's a plush throw. It's super, super soft. And it's very like colorful and cute. So I'm not gonna open it, but that's what the picture looks like. My girls are just gonna love this. We do own the movie, so we're gonna watch the movie and cozy up with this blanket. Looks like we have a pin. This is gonna be my very first pin, so that's exciting. And it's Cinderella, and who doesn't love Cinderella? And this is a park item, so that is awesome. Looks like we got a keychain. This is Elsa. My youngest daughter is obsessed with Elsa, so she is going to love this. And this is just the cutest. There's an item in here. Oh, this is so cute. So it's Rapunzel, and it says, sometimes you just have to let your hair down. That is so cute. And this is from Hallmark. And it's like a plaque, and you can hang it on the wall or just kind of like stand it up. That is so cute. I'm so excited about this. Another Frozen item. So like I said, my daughter is crazy obsessed with Frozen and she is going to love this. So it hangs on the door. So it's a door hanger, memo pad, and pen. So that is so cute. So this is Tinkerbell and it's called a magic band. So that's what it looks like. And this is a park exclusive. And I think it's like a rubber band and these are like the charms. So that's pretty cool. I'm sure one of my girls will love this. A window sticker. It's Mickey Mouse. That is so cute. So like blingy and cute. And this is a park item as well. So it looks like this is an activity book from Tangled the series. It's a mosaic sticker by numbers. So that is pretty cool. I don't know if you can see, but like different activities. So that'll definitely keep them busy. That's awesome. And then it looks like we get a Cinderella bookmark. Can never have too many of these. And it says Walt Life. And on the other side, it's a color in puzzle and it's the castle. That is so cute. Another fun activity. And that is everything. So I got these instant win tokens. So it says I win a pin. I got 2 of them. So apparently I won 2 pins. So that's cool. I'll definitely look more into that. So that is everything in this box. And I'm very excited. I'm sure my kids are going to be very excited. And like I said, I just love Disney. So it doesn't take much to like make me happy. I love pretty much every character. So this is definitely like thumbs up, and I'm just excited for the next box for sure. And that is everything for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.